Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a couple of you have been asking me to give my opinion on something that I have to say is making a controversy on the web, and it has to do with, first of all, DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo is known as a search engine that doesn't track you, and a lot of people use it for that purpose. They like the fact that they can actually go on the web searching and not being tracked on this place, on this search engine. The problem is that we learned this past couple of weeks, a security researcher has said that especially the mobile versions of DuckDuckGo for Android and iOS track you, or makes Microsoft track you somewhat. Now, it's not as bad as a full-on tracking, so let's be fair here. It's more of a minimum tracking, but it's better than a full tracking. Say if you go on Bing or Google, you're tracked everywhere on everything. It's pretty crazy. But now the problem is, it hits the reputation of DuckDuckGo, because DuckDuckGo, the reason people use it, no tracking, and now they kind of admit that, well, Microsoft does track you a little with Bing, LinkedIn, through DuckDuckGo on the mobile apps. So I think it's a hit for DuckDuckGo. The reasoning behind this is kind of interesting. It's a partnership that they did. And I have a hard time, I guess the partnership, of course, they need money to operate. And I guess that was kind of a way to have or make money for DuckDuckGo. But at the same time, it's, kind of selling their soul, because it is contrary to what people are used to and believe in DuckDuckGo. So I don't know about this. I don't know what could be done to definitely change this, but really there needs to be explanations, a little more of explanations, especially the fact that they're not really saying anything about it. Maybe you should be a little more open. It's like all the websites that track you. Why don't you just say it? I think we would go less crazy on tracking if we knew we were tracked and how we were tracked than what the companies are doing right now, the websites, meaning zero tracking information and just not telling us anything. And I think this is a really bad decision out of DuckDuckGo to have done this without saying anything, and that it hurts their reputation now that you needed a security researcher that looks at it and says, hey, look at that. Microsoft is being able to track you on DuckDuckGo. It blocks the tracking on Google. It blocks the tracking on Facebook, but it doesn't block Microsoft's tracking. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.